Hi, LinkedIn members. Good morning. I'm glad to see you today. I wish you all a very good day. And today I'm going to talk about robotics industry as such. To give you a brief, we are a sales solution company who achieves the unachieved target. What I mean by that is if you have a sales team, and if your sales team is only achieving 50 to 60% of your target, then we focus on the rest of the 40% to make sure that you as a company achieve the 100% revenue goals. So the uniqueness what we provide and offer is basically about we sharing the list of leads and checking with you first that if there is any one who is already in your existing sales team pipeline. Once we confirm that, we form a team for you. The team starts from a small 3-member team to a 7-member team, which is a cluster of business development executives who makes the appointments for the discovery call, and business development managers who does a complete solution selling in terms of understanding the requirement of the manufacturing company, mostly in these cases, because these days all the manufacturing companies in India are having a budget to automate their manufacturing process, and they are having a budget to build automation solution around robots. So we see that predominantly used by plastic industry, automotive industry. We also see that pharma is very keen to use robotics solutions to improve their productivity and also to cut cost. So because we also work on the manufacturing side, we have our own connects in the aerospace verticals, automotive verticals, pharma verticals, where the plant heads are expecting a solution on two angles: primarily to improve the productivity, secondly to reduce the manpower. So we are presently working with material movement companies, material movement robots, which is catering to various manufacturing companies to improve their productivity. We are also working with industrial robots solution engineering companies, where the companies are predominantly catering a few large players like Amar Raja and many other manufacturers. So what we do is we form this pyramid of appointment setters, which is business development executive, business development managers, and with a sales head with a comprehensive experience to handle this. Okay. So we call this as a contingency sales team. So what the sales team does is they will sit in our office, and these are the dedicated resources for your company, where your sales team or sales leaders can visit them very often. Now let's say, for an example, if you're in Hyderabad, we have our offices in Hyderabad, where these are your almost like a contract employees available in our payroll, who does end-to-end business development, focusing on the rest of the target which is not achieved by your sales team. So what we do is we do a unique selling by making sure that by understanding the manufacturing industry's requirement. Let's say, for example, the appointment setter fix a call, and then the business development manager qualifies the customer and understands the requirement, whether they have a budget, is their priority more on improving productivity or reducing cost, and so forth and so on, and then meet them in the plant and talk to the plant head and make sure that we understand requirement gathering and offer a ROI-based solution to the customers. So it's a very unique approach what we follow for robotics industry. Like I said, material movement robots are something what we cater, and we are already providing solution to. We are already providing solution to automation, robotic companies. Okay, so having said that, we provide exclusivity for customers. Now, when we sign up customers in one particular vertical, we don't sign up with a competitor to form a contingency sales team. So that's an exclusivity. We follow ISO 27001 standards. We have a data production team. Your data is secured, none of your information is revealed. We give an exclusive 5-year NDA to make sure that, even if we exit from your agreement, we don't divulge your strategies to anybody else for the next 5 years. And we also have a model where once you complete the 9 months time, so basically this team will function for 9 months under our guidance, and we are assuring you that we'll make a minimum of 5 times of the revenue what you are investing. You could check the pricing in our website. So whatever you're going to pay as a retainer for 9 months, you could multiply by 5 times, and that's the revenue what we are assuring in 9 months. If not achieved, we are ready to pay the penalty, and the jurisdiction will be your state of law. So we have formed this over the past 4 years of experience providing solution as an extended sales team, and then we understood from the customer that customer is not looking for an extended sales team, rather a team which they would be able to acquire and be more productive. Having understood this need is how we have formed this business. We are already working with more than 22 plus customers. We are in the process of ramping our customer base to 50 in the 6 months and 200 in the next 2 years. So I appreciate you to take a look at our solutions, and if you think that the plan what I just shared makes sense to you, you have a link in the website called Book Time. You can definitely book a time based on your availability. I'm happy to talk to you. Also, if you don't believe in forming a second sales team, then we train your sales team. So what we do is we train your sales team in one classroom session. We don't talk theories. One classroom session is all about how you could build an ROI and a solution-based selling in robotics. So one day classroom training, all conducted on Saturdays, and there is 7 days of training, 1 in classroom and 6 days in the client place, where you will be sent to the client place, one of your prospects maybe, and you will be offering a free solution ROI presentation to their head of plant head, so that you could bring out what value your company can offer to your prospects. So in this way, your sales team can also be getting exposed to a wonderful solution gathering, requirement gathering, and solution-based presentation, which enables your sales team to build your pipeline more effective and improve the conversion rate and qualifying the right customer to save your time. Thank you so much. I look forward to see you, and yes, all the best and have a good day.